Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different type of the crafty activities. Let's begin with the first one. First we are going to show you how we can make this cute little elephant. You just have to make some of the lines, some of the circles, some of the curves, and then you just have to bend them properly, fill them with the bright colors. This looks so cool. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this cute little shark. First you just have to make a round shape. After that you just have to make some cylindrical body. Then at the center you just have to make a line, and then you just have to make the circles that will represent the cute little eyes of this shark, and the teeth is the important one. That's a dangerous one. Don't forget to make that. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make a hedgehog. For this one you just have to trace down the number 2, and after that you just have to add the rest of the features like the eyes, nose, and the rest of the spiny body of this hedgehog. This activity is again very simple. It's very less time consuming. Let's move further and try to make a cute little bunny. For this one you just have to make some of the long ears, and after that you just have to make the rest of the body, fill the each features properly like the eyes, nose, and the center we are going to show you it's holding a carrot. That's very good and very easy. Fill it with some of the bright colors like the orange for the carrot, and the bunny is the white one. Let's move further and try to make these cute little parrots. Parrots are very cute little birds, and here we are going to show you how we can make them in the easiest way. You just have to trace out the number 222 4 times, and after that you have to build the whole picture over it by making the circle, some of the lines, some of the bends, and you just have to make a stalk at the center. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this beautiful butterfly. First you just have to make some of the wings. For this one you just have to make the curvy portions one after the another. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused and follow the each step properly, and then make the rest of the features like the antennae and the beautiful patterns of the wing. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are going to make a bumblebee. For this one you just have to make a round shape that's representing the head, then the trunk portion, and then you just have to make some of the wings, and then the rest of the body features are to be added. This activity is very simple and very easy. Let's try to make a cute little bunny bear. For this one you just have to make this rabbit ears that are longer one, and you just have to make the smaller and the larger type of the round shape, and whiskers are to be made. That's the cutest of all. Fill it with some of the tint over the ears and the cheeks area. Let's move towards another activity. You just have to write down the alphabet S. After that you are going to build it and convert it into cute little duckling. That's so cute. You can fill it with some of the bright colors like the yellow, and the water is to be made with the help of the blue one. Let's move towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create this cartoon character. You just have to make the body of this cute little type of the character. Then you just have to make the ears that are somewhat similar to the triangular shape, and the circles are made at the center that are going to represent the eyes of this cute little type of the cat. Let's move further and try to make these another birds. First you just have to trace down a cross at the center. After that a circle is made over it, then the rest of the body is to be made. This activity is again very simple. It's very less time consuming, and it's best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. We will now move further towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create these cute little butterflies in few steps. Just pause the video and try to make this one. You just have to make cylindrical shape, somewhat circular band shape, antennae are to be made, and the rest of the things are to be done. Let's move towards our another type of the activity. Here you just have to first make the half type of the circle or the round shape. After that you just have to make a curve at the center. Two curves are to be made that are going to represent the hair. Don't forget to make the flower from one corner. After that add the rest of the features. Here we are going to show you how we can make this bat. Bats are somewhat similar to the birds in a blackish color. So here we are going to make one of it, and it's very easy. You can definitely give it a try. Thank you.